There you go. Hey, dude, what are you doing, man? You're like messing everything up, man. You're taking these lawyers' money and
Yeah, yeah. I know. It's going crazy.
yeah,
Uh, so I just stole your power email, literally rewrote it,
yeah,
made sure to put. I realized talking to you and reading your power email is you always want to put in a hint of fear. What are they afraid they're not doing? With mine, I've really said, I bet they get hit up for SEO all the time.
all the time.
So how can I hit them up for SEO but not say SEO? So what I've actually found is I'm getting about 6 to 8 audits an email blast, and there's about 1,000 a blast.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah.
And
And they're
so
responding off of that one email, the initial email. There's no follow up or anything. You're just getting it raw.
yeah, no follow up. So I'm getting those off the first email saying they're requesting an audit. I immediately send out an email after the first one, and I got 12, and I screwed myself trying to do 12 audits
Yeah,
overnight.
yeah,
I now have an auto responder that says awesome. It takes me about 48 hours to do research on the top 3 so I can give you a custom report of your listings
yeah,
to buy me some time.
yeah.
Uh,
And some guy already paid you.
yeah, so that was the best part is this guy, I sent him the video, so he immediately calls me and says, hey, I built my own website. I've been doing SEO. He's a DUI attorney in Orange County, California.
Oh,
Uh,
wow. For you to
and
get a
he's
DUI
like,
in Orange County, that's nuts. That's nuts.
yeah,
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 that's great.
yeah. It's been gold.
Well, I just wanted to touch base and kind of give some people some encouragement to find out, because you've been doing this for a while, right? And this is just kind of a whole different level. It's
Yeah,
gonna,
I've been
yeah,
doing it wrong for a while. Just getting in here and having a system set up and just kind of saying, okay, don't reinvent the wheel. Just do this and make the copy work for what niche you're going after, and
yeah,
roll with it. Don't try
yeah,
to perfect it. Just throw it out there and
yeah,
get it going.
yeah. And I think because you're just taking action like a madman, it just kind of the momentum just snowballed. So and it's gonna continue to snowball for you, man, because you're that type of person. So that's great, man, and I appreciate you.
Awesome, man.
Yeah.
Thanks so much.